It's a big India Today news break which has jolted the Kerala Congress. After harassment charges, Kerala Congress Neta quits. Kerala Youth Congress Chief Mamkutatil resigns. Writer has alleged that the Kerala Youth Congress Chief harassed her. Rahul Mamkutatil resigns as State President of the Youth Congress. Shibi is live with me on this story. Shibi Mall, what more do we know about these allegations? This is an actor who has claimed that she was harassed by a neta. What more do we know? What is happening on the ground?
Well, Anisha, it was yesterday that actor, model and also former journalist Rini came out saying that, she didn't take the name of this young politician. She said that a young politician from a prominent party in Kerala has been repeatedly messaging her. Even though she said strict no to it, he kept on doing it again and again. She also said that he invited her to a hotel room and she raised this issue with the Congress party in Kerala, but they did not react to it. Instead of correcting him, instead of taking action against him, they gave him more and more responsibility and more posts, is what Rini said. She did not take the name of the young politician, though she gave out hints about it. Later, another woman, a writer, Hani Bhaskaran, also came out saying that, he has continuously messaged her, and when she stopped it, he went and told his youth Congress colleagues that, this woman has been trying to talk to me. She's been initiating conversation, all of that. Both of them have said that many women in the youth Congress and also in the student wing of the Congress KSU have raised serious allegations, have raised many complaints against him before the party leadership, but there's no action. They're all scared to come out because they're all part of the party setup. So for all of them, we thought of at least talking about it right now so that this person gets exposed. Later, the party leadership began meetings and discussions as to what to decide, because this person, Rahul, is also the Youth Congress State President, also a Congress MLA from the state. So a very, very prominent young face in the party, considered as the future of the party. So it's become it's a major setback for the party also. And today he has submitted his resignation as the Youth Congress State President after all these allegations. He said that he does not think that he has done anything wrong. He will fight all this legally, but as a responsible person, as a responsible party worker, he feels he should resign because he does not want the Congress party workers, the youth Congress workers, to justify him. He respects their time. There's a lot of work before the assembly and the panchayat elections in the state. So I resign on my own is what Rahul has said, but we're understanding that there was huge pressure from the party leadership to submit resignation before it causes more damage, because like I pointed out, he's a very prominent face, even though a young leader, very prominent, very popular face, and also the elections are in line, and this is a major setback as far as Congress is concerned. We're understanding he submitted his resignation, Youth Congress President, but since there's only 8 months more for the assembly elections in the state, he is likely to continue as the MLA.